All right. Hello there, YouTube. So we're going to do the unboxing of the Warrior, the 799 Rotary Toolkit. So let's see what we got. Okay. Okay. It appears not to be a variable speed tool, but I mean it is $7.99. Oh, okay. Instructions, and I guess that's it. Instructions. We don't need them. Okay, so don't seem to be bad. Got a little lock right there. Okay. What we got in here? Let's just take a dump it out. Looks like we got some buffing wheels. We got cutoff disc. How many cutoff discs did we get? It's an 80 piece. 25 cutoff wheel discs. So we'll see how well them hold up here later. A brush tool. These here appear to be, yeah, that's what I thought, for your grinding. And let's see what we have here. What would these be? Not sure exactly what them are. We'll find out to come. Oh, okay. So this comes off. Pull that out. Ah, so we got replacement of them. Oh, that's pretty handy. Got us some drill bits here. I'm sure they are not of high quality, but again, we did pay $7.99. What is this? A grinding stone? I don't know exactly how that works. Got a little wire brush. A little wire brush for brass. Very, very good hobby set. And then we have some aluminum oxide grinding stones. And then we have some diamond burr bits. Alright, well, we'll get it all back in the box here. Oh, it even came with a bigger drill bit. I'm sure, like I said, them are high quality. I'm sure the flighting on them is exactly what they need to be. Just kidding. And they're titanium or something like that. I'd say they're probably made out of aluminum, probably like your Ford pickups. So, alright, that's what's in there. We have a project that we're going to use this on. We'll see how well it works out. It appears to be a pretty decent quality. I mean, there ain't a whole lot to say for it. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, does it work? Oh, sure. Not. It's going back. Plug that in. Grab some extension cord here. Would do not work. Really? Oh, there we go. Alright. Well, let's give it a shot and put it to work and see what it does.